सबसे पहले टाइटल कार्ड में कुछ बताइए, सोचा ना था क्या है, मतलब व्हाट मेड यू कीप दिस टाइटल, फिल्म किस तरह उस पे रिवॉल्व होती है कि
See, the story of the film moves in a very unpredictable way. What happens is that the central character, which is played by Abhay Deol, is a person who has a very comfortable life at the beginning of it, and then he decides to make it more comfortable and starts to mess up his life in a strange sort of a way, which is shown in a funny manner, really. And he did not think that by doing what he does, he is going to complicate his life. So his life becomes more and more interesting for the viewer, but less and less comfortable for himself in a very unpredictable way. So what was happening is that in every scene, in every situation, in every performance, what was the highlight was the unpredictable nature, which in some way is taken from life, which itself is so unpredictable and interesting. So I thought this is what the name should be. तो उसको हिंदी में सोचा कि अब क्या करें, तो सोचा ना था, मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा होगा फिर वैसा होगा. See, what had happened is that this film was with someone else first. Some other producer was supposed to produce this film, and I was looking for a boy to play this particular character. I was under a lot of stress to take a star for this, but I wanted a young newcomer. So I started auditioning a lot of actors, and finally I came to meet Abhay Deol through a common friend. Initially when I met him, I didn't even know he's Deol because he was hiding that from me. To his credit is the fact that I auditioned him thrice, then finally over a period of a month selected him, and it's only somewhere in between that I realized that he's a Deol. But after I kind of selected him for the film, Sunny Deol came to know that this is happening, and he called me and said that I would want to produce the first film of my brother, because I want to launch him in a particular way and I want to make sure that the film is good. So if I like your story, then I will produce it, and if I like you as a director, I'll produce it. So I went and narrated it to him. It was a 5-hour narration, and therefore the film came to be produced by Sunny Deol. Aisha, I was looking for this girl to play Aditi's part, and everybody was irritated with me because I had already met around 1,000 girls, auditioned many of them, and wasn't really getting the girl. Till I saw Aisha in some audition tape of some agency, and then I called her, and the moment she walked in that door, I knew that this is going to be the girl, and we auditioned her and etc etc. But the moment I'd seen her, I knew that it's going to be her. That time, by the way, none of her films were even started. This was the first time that she was cast in a film, and even her that Lift Wala music video had not started. But she was so strong and effective, and so much. I had great hopes from her the moment I saw her. So it was not tough casting her at all.
Music of the film?
Music of the film is by Sandesh Shandilia. There are 7 songs in the film, and there are a couple of things that on the eve of the release right now that make me very, very comfortable, and I'm very sure of. One of the things is the music of the film. There are these 7 songs, as I said, made by Sandesh. 5 of them have been written by Irshad Kamil, and the other 2 have been written by Subrat Sinha. They are contemporary, modern, lyrical, sensible, yet extremely entertaining songs, which will grow with time, and which will remain playing on your Vivid Bharatis and FMs for a very, very long time. I'm very, very confident about the music. The other things that I'm confident about are Abhay and Aisha, and what they do when they are on screen together. That chemistry, I think, is the prime catch of this film really.
In short, how would you want to define Socha Na Tha?
Socha Na Tha is a story of a boy and a girl who do not want to get married to each other. Is that too short?
No, that's okay. So by when do you plan to release?
We are releasing in December. The exact date is also a subject of great factors, like what are the other films releasing, what are the theatres available, things like that, and we want to do it well. See, for some strange reason, Sunny Deol and Dharamji feel very strongly about the film. They are very confident about the film, and they do not want to undermine the effect of the film by releasing it at a wrong date, you know. So now the film is ready completely, and we are selecting the best date possible in December to release it.
Great. Wishing you all the best.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.